Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a reverb echo effect in Davinci Resolve. This is great for creating a cinematic, dreamy, or spooky sound. First, go to the Fairlight tab. This is where all audio effects and mixing happen. Make sure your audio clip is in the timeline. Next, open the Effects library. Click on the Fairlight Effects section and find Reverb. Drag and drop the Fairlight Reverb effect onto your audio clip. Now adjust the settings. Click on the effect in the inspector panel to open its controls. You'll see different reverb presets like room, hall, and cathedral. Choose one based on how much echo you want. Tweak the effect to match your style. Adjust the mix slider to control how strong the echo is. Lower it for subtle effect or increase it for a more dramatic sound. You can also adjust the decay to make sure the echo lasts longer. Finally, preview your audio. If it sounds too strong, reduce the effect slightly. Once you're happy with the result, you're done. And that's it. You've successfully added a reverb echo effect in Davinci Resolve. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more editing tips. See you in the next one.